Hello my dear friends and my dear students, welcome back to our channel Math Conic. So many of the students they are asking that how they will get the CBSE syllabus PDF, that what the CBSE has changed in the current year syllabus. So first you open the Google Chrome, okay, then you will search CBSE Academy. Already I have searched, so that it's coming the first page. So then you click on CBSE Academic, you click on CBSE Academic, then this page will come. Here that link to revised curriculum, you click on that, okay, link to revised curriculum. When you will click, there will be come that revised secondary curriculum 9 and 10, revised secondary senior secondary curriculum 11 and 12. Suppose we will check 9 and 10, then we will click on 9 and 10, it will come like this. So this was the revised languages, revised main subject. That means after revised they have prepared a syllabus. So now this one is the curriculum deduction details deleted portion. Okay, curriculum. This one they have done that curriculum deduction deleted portion means when we will check this, we will able to find that what they have deleted from the syllabus, right? What they have done the delete. So now when I will check this, you click here. So now suppose here deleted mathematics. So when you will click on mathematics, so already downloaded, so I am opening it. So it will come like this. You see real numbers, they have deleted this much, okay, from the real number, okay, and from the polynomial they have deleted this much. Linear equation they have deleted, the example problems on ratio and proportion, okay. Coordinate geometry no deletion, that means from that chapter they have deleted nothing. Euclid geometry delete the chapter, that means that chapter completely deleted, okay. Lines and angle no deletion, okay, no deletion from the lines and angle chapter. So area delete the chapter, area delete the chapter means what? So area delete the chapter means this one, area delete the chapter means this chapter has been completely deleted from the syllabus, okay, completely deleted that chapter, okay, that is the 9 and this one is the of the 10. So you will get like this and you can read this. Then after, then you can verify that after delete what is the actual syllabus for this year, okay, this is on the revised main syllabus. So revised mathematics you click, okay, then you will get this already downloaded. So I am opening it. So this one is the revised mathematics 9 and 10, okay, revised mathematics, that means after revised the syllabus, this is the final syllabus. This syllabus we have to follow for this academic year 2020 and 21. I hope this video will be helpful to you and you will go to this link and you will find out the syllabus.